you. You ready? Yeah. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? I know what I think. I think that I love you. What do you think? Daddy loves you. Yeah, I love you. Even with that little bit of something up there. You are so beautiful. Okay. Daddy loves you. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so cute. So cute. Yeah, you're so cute. So cute. I love you.
Do you want to stand her up?
Oh, just pretty close to the edge of the bed. Here we go. You ready? Oh. Oh.
You do it, Mika. You've got to do the work.
You gotta do the work.
Oh, good job, baby girl.
Good job.
Good job. Who's a big girl?
Boy, I think you must be a big girl. Yay! Yeah, you did a burp. You just did a burp. Yay! Okay, back down you go.